In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the double opt-in email feature. This is a quick setting to update, but it can make an important difference in how new email subscribers confirm their interest before being added. Double opt-in is commonly used to help improve list quality, reduce invalid signups, and make sure people really want to receive your emails. So if you want a cleaner and more intentional subscriber process, this is where to turn it on. To get started, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen and click on Settings. This is where you'll find the main configuration options for your account, including the email-related preferences we need for this setup. Once you're inside Settings, go to the left-hand panel and select Emails. This section contains the controls related to how your email features work. So if you're managing subscriber behavior or confirmation settings, this is the right place to be. After opening the Emails section, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. Take your time here because the option we're looking for is located near the lower part of this area. If you don't see it immediately, just keep scrolling until you find the setting labeled Double Opt-in Email. When you locate that option, simply click the switch to turn it on. Once the toggle is enabled, the feature is active. That means new subscribers will be asked to confirm their email address before they're fully added, which can help improve deliverability and keep your list more accurate over time. And that's it. The setting is now enabled. If you're making changes to your email system, it's always a good idea to double-check that the switch remains on before leaving the page, just to confirm the update was applied successfully. Since this process only takes a moment, it's a simple but useful adjustment to make. That's all for this tutorial. You've now learned how to enable the double opt-in email feature quickly and easily.